Hey everyone, welcome back to AI Personal Finance, where we show you smart, simple ways to grow your income using tools you already have. Today's topic, how to make money selling photos you take with your phone using sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and Foap. Whether you're snapping pics of your coffee, a sunset, or city life, you can actually get paid just for uploading them. And yes, your smartphone camera is good enough. Let's break it down step by step. Step 1. Understand how stock photo sites work. Websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock are what we call stock photo marketplaces. Businesses, bloggers, and brands go to these sites every day looking for photos they can legally use for their websites, ads, magazines, and more. Instead of hiring photographers, they buy licenses to use your uploaded photos. And guess what? Every time someone downloads one of your images, you get paid a royalty over and over again. Even a photo you took 2 years ago could still be earning you money today. Step 2, choose your platform. There are 3 beginner-friendly platforms I recommend. Shutterstock, great exposure, pays 10 cents to $2 per download or more with exclusivity. Adobe Stock ties into Photoshop and Lightroom users, 33% commission on each sale. Foap, built for mobile users. You upload via the app and each photo can sell for $10 and you get $5 every time. Start by creating free accounts on each platform. Each one will ask you to upload a few photos and fill out your contributor profile. Keep it simple and be consistent. Step 3. Take high quality, in-demand photos. You don't need a fancy DSLR. Most smartphones today shoot in 12 megapixels or more. Totally acceptable. But here's the key. Focus on what sells. Here are some themes that always do well. Lifestyle, people working, cooking, relaxing. Nature and landscapes, cityscapes and street life, food and drinks, fitness, pets, family, holidays, and tech. Make sure your photos are well lit, not blurry, and have clear subjects. Avoid logos, brand names, or anything copyrighted, or it'll get rejected. Here's a tip. Shoot both horizontal and vertical versions to fit different use cases. Step 4. Upload, tag, and optimize. When you upload your photos, each platform will ask you for a title, a description, and 5 to 50 keywords, tags. This is crucial. Use accurate, searchable keywords. For example, if you upload a photo of a woman jogging at sunset in a park, don't just write woman jogging. Add keywords like fitness, runner, sunset, healthy lifestyle, park, wellness, cardio, outdoors. That way, when someone searches those terms, your photo shows up. Spend a few extra minutes tagging each photo. It could make a big difference in sales. Step 5. Be consistent and track your earnings. Don't just upload 5 photos and expect to make $500. The top contributors usually upload hundreds or even thousands of images over time. But here's the magic. Once it's uploaded, it can sell forever. So make it a habit. Aim for 10 uploads a week. Over time, your catalog grows and so does your income. Each platform has a dashboard to track your downloads and earnings. Some contributors make a few bucks a month, others earn hundreds to thousands. It all depends on your consistency and photo quality. Step 6, bonus tips. Batch upload. Use tools like Lightroom Mobile to edit and export multiple images at once. Participate in Foap missions. These are photo challenges by brands where you can win up to $100 per image. Shoot vertical for Instagram Reels and TikTok ads. Many marketers look for those formats. Remove backgrounds and offer isolated product shots. They're in high demand. And don't forget, the more platforms you're on, the more chances you have to earn. So there you have it. Turn your camera roll into a cash flow. Start today. Go through your photos, upload the best ones, and let them go to work for you. Don't forget to subscribe to AI Personal Finance for more income hacks like this. Catch you in the next video.